Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Amaris. If you're returning, I love you. Today I have a quick hair tutorial from ELFIN hair. As you can see, my hair looks so good. The quality is so amazing. So I have 3 bundles of their Burmese curl with their spiral ends. As you can see, it does have quite a spiral at the end, and I love how that looks. I feel like it makes it look very natural. As I'm in my gym era, I want something very low maintenance that I can literally just tie my hair and go to the gym, or I can wear like this, and if I sweat it's still going to be nice. So this is perfect for me. As you can see, I blended my hairline with it. I use this curler, so make sure you watch the video to the end to see how I achieve these curls and how I blend it with my hair. So in the hair bag you will receive a bonnet. The bonnet is so good. I actually wear this every night to bed. A wig cap, an edge brush, and also of course the bundles. So I kindly asked my sister to sew in these bundles for me. As I already had a U-part wig, I had the foundation already there. She just had to carry all my leave out to have it out the way and then just sew the bundles in from left to right. This is because I wanted a quick method. I didn't want us to do the IV method, which is a bit more of a longer process as you have to cut up the tracks and sew it in smaller sections. As you can see how thick and full it is. I loved it brushed out. It looks very natural. It looks like black afro hair, which is what I loved. So I wanted some face framing and light layers, so my sister went ahead and did this for me. This is definitely key when you have a leave out, as you want the front to blend with the bundles. So with the layers, it gives it more of a natural look. Look how beautiful this looks. I would actually wear it out like this. I think if I just plaited the front of my hair and took it out, it would look amazing. So when I do a curly flip over, I always straighten the front of my hair first because I feel like it's easier to get that out the way and do my edges. Guys, I love these curls so much. They're so easy to maintain. I literally, all I've done is put water in it. Obviously it has product from the other day, but it looks so good. It's so easy to brush out as well. I literally just slept with a bonnet on, the one that they gave me, and I'm literally just damping it and brushing it out, and it's just brushing out so easily. What I really like about this hairstyle is low maintenance, quick for the gym, quick for every day, going to work. It's so convenient. The thing is that I wish my front of my hair was natural. My hair is actually texturized, so it's still, but the ends are quite straight. But if I had natural hair, it would, like, if I went back to my natural hair, it will blend with this so much. I'm literally gonna go back to natural hair. I'm thinking of just starting again. So when I do that, hairstyles like this is going to be my go-to. It's going to make my life so much easier because I actually just want to start again. I kind of got like hair block. I don't know what I want to do to my hair anymore, so I think when in doubt, go back to natural hair. I really want to work on length retention, and I feel like when I went natural the first time, did a big chop, I went natural, my hair grew so well, but it's just that I couldn't maintain my, I couldn't do my own hair. I found it very difficult. But now that my sister's got a salon, and also I've got my Dyson, and I also live closer to my mum, I can actually get I can get more help with my hair. So I think now is the time to start my hair journey again. Look at this. Like when you brush it, the curls just look so good. So I'm literally gonna create ringlets. I like it when it's like ringlets. Is so cute, so cute. My hair care cocktail is gonna be the Cantu Kids. Then I'm gonna use the Dux. I don't know if it's Dux. I don't know. It's an American brand. This curly hair mousse is really good. So I literally just take some of this. Normally, if you know me, this is my go-to for curly hair, but I'm trying something new in my curly hair routine. So I like this. I feel like this adds a bit more hold and definition. The Cantu, and the mousse just makes it like, it kind of holds it together, but then it still doesn't leave it crunchy, you know. It's still nice. So I like using it, and it actually smells like honey, like actually like proper honey. So I literally just comb it and kind of like flip my wrist, and it kind of creates ringlets. So I just do that to every section to kind of get it to form together. My flip over was more this way, so I'm just gonna brush these and then flick my wrist so that it really creates like ringlets. Do the same with this side. Quick and easy. Another option when you're doing a flip over, if you don't want to put heat on your hair, you can use these like hair rods, curling rods, if you don't want to add heat. But I don't really mind about heat. As I said, my hair is straight already. I'm going to curl the front of my hair using my small curler. I've had this for a couple of years and I love it. It's so good. I think I got this from Amazon, but it's also Babyless Pro. So I saw a cute hairstyle where the girl pins the front of her hair, and that looks really cute. So I might do that hairstyle. I'll show you guys what I'm talking about though.
There's a universe inside of you. Can I take you there to make it go away? Would you let me be your getaway? No, 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 I bet you never knew. There's a universe inside of you. Can I?
Also, I have been curling some forward and back to give me some more definition, because I don't want them to be all like one big ringlet. I want them to actually be different, you know. So I'm curling some forward, some back. And I also didn't straighten my roots too straight, as I want it to actually blend quite well. So I straightened the ends more than the roots. So the roots are still a little bit puffy.
Are we turning up, or are we wasting time? Girl, don't waste my time, you know I'm partying. I don't just wanna chill with you, oh no. I wanna turn up on, I wanna turn you on, I wanna lay with you, that's the least I'ma do.
The hair is partially dry, so I'm going to use my Dyson. I got this recently. I love it so much. And this is just going to create some volume.
Fuck, I look like I don't wanna change. I can see your eyes, you to feel. How you feel it, baby? Can you feel it, baby? Can you feel it, baby? Can you tell me, baby? Kissing you here, loving you right, loving you there, loving you right.
Okay, so it's like 80% dry. I think I'm going to let it air dry a little bit more. But guys, this looks so good already. Another way you can do this flip over is also, another way you can blend your hair is also getting a piece of the curly hair and curling it with your hair. But I didn't do that today. I don't think I really need to, because I wanted it more short. I just put a bit more hot heat on it just to make the curls kind of bunch up a little bit. Thank you guys for watching my hair tutorial. Let me know if you've got any questions down below, or if you've got any hairstyles you want me to do next. Thank you ELFIN Hair for sponsoring me. I love you guys. Bye.